Robles for Jerusalem. And our first placer is none other than Nathaniel C. Francisco from grade 4 Jordan. Nathaniel C. Francisco, first placer from grade 4 Jordan. Our female winners, Robbie B. Sebastian, third place from grade 4 Palestine. Robbie B. Sebastian, third place from grade 4 Palestine. Second place is Nesreen Karil C. Escardin from Bethlehem. Nesreen Karil C. Escardin, second place from grade 4 Bethlehem. And our first place winner is none other than April Inadigamban from grade 4 Jerusalem. First place is April Inadigamban, grade 4 Jerusalem.
Ate, tawagin mo!
Again, congratulations